Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I'm hoping you did not miss the Arctic class that we did online. We sold out of it completely, 100% completely gone, and we're getting ready for the next online class and we're going to add some more to it, but I just wanted to give you a heads up. We still have spots open in our party animal class. So if you missed this one, go sign up for it. It's already been taped. It's not live, but it's already been taped, so you get to go back and watch it 100 billion times if you want to. Look at how fun this exclusive stamp set is that comes with it. And look at how adorable. These are just some samples that my design team created. But look at those cute little critters. Now we did some fun projects in this class, and I'm just showing you some samples of different things. I know we did this one in class, which is really fun. We did something similar to this one. I want you to go check it out. Go check it out. You get the stamps, you get the dies, you get lots of fun stuff. We can spend some time together and you can do the Party Animals class. The next time we have an online class, you need to sign up for it ASAP because they do sell out now. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.